like the title of this video has stated, I confirm, I did get COVID a few days ago. Well, I tested positive for it about 4 days ago, and it has been kicking my butt 4 days straight. Today's the only day I can actually talk more than a few words. So I figured I'd go ahead and do something a little different and do an unboxing for you guys. Just legit film me unboxing some sneakers. I had such a huge amount of sneakers. I think I got like 7 or 8 pairs of sneakers that came in within the last week and a half, and I'm like, you know what, let me just unbox these on camera for the Familia. Let me go ahead and give you guys a little something to watch until I work on the rest of the videos. So let's go ahead and get to the unboxings, shall we? Alrighty guys, so let's go ahead. So these are 3 sneakers here that I have here. I actually filmed the unboxing a little bit ago and it had no audio because it died, so then I had to refilm all this stuff. But anyway, just to give you guys a little sneak peek, I got, ooh, what's that? Well, we're gonna do that one maybe last. Then we got a couple other boxes here. We got those there. We got all those over there, but you know, whatever. Alright guys, so right here, what we got? We got the Stussy. This is size 9.5. These are the Stussy Air Force 1s. The 07 mids. Now these are, look at the case, man. I'm a sucker for a nice box. And look at that. Look at that. These look fire. I love like the little vintage vibe or the off-white look, you know what I'm saying? That creamed out look, that aged vintage look. Alright guys, so what we got here? Alright guys, so anyway, let's go. Ooh, wee. Look at these. These are nice. Like, these are nice. Oh man, look at the color on these. So these are the Stussy, once again, the Stussy Air Force 1s. This is a summer vibe, that woven straw-like material. You guys can see, look at the toe box, the details. You know, Stussy always, they don't disappoint when it comes to details and creativity in some of their pairs and their sneakers. You got that emblem right there on the toe box. You got an extra pair of laces right here as well. Those are more like a light beige. These are like a more deeper, darker beige. Look at the laces right there. You can see right there on the lace tip right there, it does say Stussy. So you got the Stussy right there. Also on the Velcro strap right there on the top ankle, you got that woven swoosh right there. And the back ankle collar, you got that emblem, that pendant. So I'll be doing a full review on this if you guys would like to see that. Definitely let me know down in the comments. Stussy, New York, Los Angeles, Tokyo, London, and Paris is what it says there, so you can see. And that's same thing, same vibe with the tongue. So these are not bad. These are kind of clean, really clean, I think, for summer. And the material looks nice too. So that was a pickup numero uno. We got some 7 hundos. The wash orange, I believe, the faded, like the washed orange is what they're called. You know, unboxing Yeezys with one hand is super difficult. Just gonna put that out there. While I unbox this, y'all see my champion chanclas. These are for the cribbo too. My champion sandals right there. Ain't gonna say nothing about that. 11 bucks. All right, guys. So these are the faded or washed orange. I needed a 700 V1. I got rid of my wave runners. I had like 6 pairs of wave runners, believe it or not, throughout the years, and sold them all. I kept 1 pair and I sold it used, and so I needed another pair of V1s. I thought they were nice. I always was a fan of 700s since they first got released, and these are nice. So these gave me the vibe that I wanted off the wave runners, plus just a different color blocking. But these are nice, man. It does definitely look washed. Like the orange midsole kind of looks like when you leave something bright in the sun too long and it kind of just fades away. That's what it looks like a faded orange. So these are 9.5. I copped these through SNS. They had a little coupon and I got them for like, I think 220 bucks. So these are not bad at all. These are nice. So we picked up these as well, 700s. Always a nice little pickup to get. These right here are going to be the woman's nature low dunks. They're pretty much pandas, except I believe they might be made with recycled materials. Move to Zero is Nike's journey towards zero carbon and zero waste to help protect the future of sport. So here we go. And these came with nothing. They really trying to save, for real. No paper, nothing in the inside, no shoe trees, no nothing like that. They look kind of off. The toe box looks extra swollen. You guys see that? Like right there, a little hump. Like right where my thumb is at, like in this area around here. It looks like they were just overly stretched. Like, look at that. I mean, they look look good. It just looks a little bit off. And these are straight from Nike. Like, I got these off the sneakers restock, the Dunk restock. So you can see the outsole. It's got that speckled vibe that it does when it's a recycled material. So yeah, I'd assume that's the difference between these and the other Pandas. The regular Pandas are that these are made from recycled or sourced materials. You know, a lot of people think that when they get stuff from Nike, you know, oh yeah, it's from Nike, you know, it's gonna be legit, it's gonna be the best quality. Well, I'd call cap on that, because sometimes I be seeing reps that are higher quality than retail. I wonder if the other one is like that too. And look at this one, is already a different shape, I can tell. Look at the difference of the toe box. Look at this one, how narrow it is. In my opinion, it looks normal. Yeah, these look better, and it is what it is, man. So these, I got these on the restock, recycled Pandas. That's what we're gonna call them. Pandas, these are size women 11, which transmute to a 9.5 in men's. All right, guys, for the next pair, we're gonna go ahead, and I believe these are another pair of Dunks. Get rid of this box here. Woo! Okay, we got some other lows we got. I hit on 2 pairs, the Pandas and also these. And these are the Goldenrods, I believe. Woo! Now, look at that toe box. Look at the difference, how thin that is, man. That's the shape of an actual Dunk Low. Wow, look at these. I've never seen this one in hand, as a matter of fact, which is crazy, right? It's restocked a few times, and these are the Goldenrod. These are really, really, like, that orange is super deep. Really nice shoe, size 9.5 as well. There we go, Goldenrod Low Dunks. And if you can get them for retail, man, they're so good. Let's talk about the next one right here. I know what these are. These are the Heritage Jordan 1s. I had a pair early from Europe, right? Over a month and change ago. I sold them, and then I copped this during the restock that they had. One of the 5,000 restocks they had of the Heritage Retro 1s for like 130 bucks. It came out to total, shipped. And a lot of people are just fronting on these. They are just disrespecting the Heritage 1s, and these are nice. Like, look at look at that. Look at how tumbled that red and black leather is. Look at that swoosh. The only part that's regular leather is gonna be the mid panel around, right? The toe box or the mud guard. And that's it. But this is a nice freaking shoe. 2 pairs of laces as well with the white and the red. I mean, guys, this is a nice sneaker. Tumbled toe box. Look at that. Look at how tumbled that leather is. And this is the color blocking of what? Travis Scott frags. I did review my other pair before I sold it, the Europe pair, so maybe I'll upload those soon. Alright. I forgot which ones are these, honestly. You know what? I think I remembered. Oh, these are gonna be nice. You look at you. What? You already know what this is. I mean, you gotta know. Yo, what y'all know about the Ma Maniere's Jordan 2s? Oh my god. Listen, man, I hit these off the raffle straight from Ama's website. Yo, there's something about the quality of an Ma Maniere that's impeccable. The house of Ma Maniere is ridiculous with the quality. And their unboxing experience, I compare it to like Apple. Like when you unbox an iPhone or anything Apple, it's just, it's a supreme, gorgeous, elegant, exquisite, classy experience. I actually have the Ma Maniere 1s right down there. This is so nice. I'm gonna unbox these right here with you guys right now. Oof, that classic plastic sleeve. Oof, freaking nice, man. Give you that vibe that Travis Scott gives you. What we got here? Oh my god, look at these. First of all, black and white box with the wings. Tough, yo. Yo. Tough. I mean, look at this, guys. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. Right there. Oh my gosh, these are so, I mean, the detail, man. Whew. It's gonna take a second to soak this in real quick. This is so nice. It's got that same crackled leather that the Jordan 1 Amas have. And the details on these is just crazy. Like, it's insane. The quality on this right here is insane. I'm definitely gonna do a full review. If you want to see the full review of these, you gotta stay tuned. You gotta sub to the channel. You gotta go ahead and hit that notification bell, because you want to be notified when I upload. Look at how beautiful this is with the wax. Oh my god, with that look at the laces, got that little sheen to them. They even bagged up this so it doesn't get scratched up. It's the details, y'all. They bagged up the tag. Yeah, these are fire. These are dope. Oh, with the maroon laces, the cream laces. Look at how beautiful the sneaker is, man. I love it, man. AMA 2's on deck. Oh man, I cannot wait to review these for you guys, for real. What an experience, man. Such a beautiful experience. I hope one day we just blow up, that we get to work with them personally on something, man. And just meet them, sit down with them, talk with them. Talk with Mr. James Whitner about the beautiful creations his mind and his team are creating with Jordan brand. Oh my god, such a beautiful experience. Alright guys, so hypebeast or not, Travis Scott dropped some other sneakers. Out of all 2,487 raffles I joined, obviously I'm exaggerating, but you know, that's what it felt like. And I hit on one. Couldn't hit on sneakers, I hit on Slam Jam. These are the 9.5. Oh, I got them in 10. So these are the Air Trainer ones. These are gonna be the chocolate colorway. You got that Cactus Corp at the under. Woo wee! All right, guys. What do we think about these guys? What do we think? I mean, let's be real. Let's take it in. All around. Cactus check on the heel. Cactus Corporation. You got the infamous zipper. You have a lot of detail. There's nuance to this shoe. Like, there's nuances to all of his shoes. He made the backward swoosh popular. He's making zippered pockets on your sneakers popular. And now he's waterproofing your sneakers for you. So this is some, I would assume, right? I haven't done the research yet. This is not a full review. But this is some type of waterproof material to cover your sneaker and protect it. Now it's flexible, as you can see. It's like an elastic material, but I would assume it's to protect your shoe. Let's hear this little ASMR.
I didn't get that. Could you try again?
Siri, stop it.
Okay.
Thank you. All right. Okay. Now I haven't never purchased a trainer as well, so I've never owned a trainer. So we're gonna go to this, but let's go ahead and see what this looks like without that. You know what? This is not a bad looking shoe. This is not a bad looking shoe, man. It's like a mixture of a shoe and a boot. You know what I'm saying? It's a mixture of both. It's like a hybrid sneaker. It's stocky, it's beefy, like a boot would be, but it's got that sneaker vibe as well. And it's got an extra pair of laces right there. You got around the toe box this really rugged, thick, is that like a leather? I don't know if that's a leather or just like a really thick plasticky material. You got this like corduroy feeling material on the side. You got the Cactus Corporation strap. You know, this is a nice sneaker, man. I like this chocolate colorway with those little hits of pink on the eyelets and the actual font. You got that swoosh, which I don't know if it's 3M or not. It's kind of got like a 3M material to it. We have anything there? No, we don't. All right. This is nice, man. This is a nice sneaker. Just sit there. What y'all think? Let me know down below what y'all think about the sneaker. The details are there. Travis Scott don't miss. I'm not gonna front. He doesn't miss. Now what we got here? We got some instructions. Cactus Corporation, attention. I mean, dang, you can barely read that. Please place the shroud on flat surface. Okay. So there's instructions here. Place the shroud on flat surface. Oh, it's telling you how to fold it. And then you can put it in the back of the sneaker. You can put it right here in the back of the zipper. That's fire. That's dope. So if you're ever in a situation where you're traveling and you're using the sneaker, and guess what? It starts raining. You good. Just go ahead, take the shroud out the back pocket. Okay. Take the shroud out the back pocket, and just take this out, man, and cover your sneaker, protect it. It's not gonna waterproof the whole sneaker, but it'll protect what's most important, the toe box, so your socks won't get soaked. This is fire. That's fire. That's practical. You know, you actually got a purpose with it. I'm all about purpose. Come on now. Oh, with the, well, hold up. With the backward swoosh on the, what is it, the medial side, right? Medial. The zipper also, not all zippers are created equal, y'all. So when you have a zipper like this definitely looks like a KY zippers, I think they're called KY zippers, which are waterproof as well. So this looks fire. Guys, what y'all think? Come on, real talk. What y'all think about these? I don't know, man. I like in pictures, I was kind of like whatever about them, but having them in hand, they look different, man. They feel different. The outsole, minimalistic, like crazy. US patent number, Nike. That's all you got. That's all you got. This is fire, man. I like them. I can't wait to get them on feet and see how they feel. Size 10. Anyway, guys, that's it. This is my unboxing. Let me flip to the screen. That is it. That is the unboxing that I have for you. Bunch of sneakers I picked up. I gotta review these and sell what I'm gonna sell, because if not, I ain't gonna have enough money to buy other stuff. But guys, I appreciate y'all from the heart. Thank you guys so much. Keep me in your thoughts, in your hearts. I know I'm getting better. I feel like myself a little bit more. So I'll be up and at it. I'm gonna be recording a lot of reviews. Let me know down in the comments. We got a lot of new subs. I thank you guys. I welcome you guys to the Familia for real. I'm a very humble person, and I'm excited for the journey, man. I'm really excited for this journey that we're gonna embark. You guys are team early, hashtag team early, or what, hashtag early Familia. Yeah, whatever it is. I appreciate y'all. My family, mi familia, my people, mi gente. Description down below, links down below. Holla at your boy. Hasta la próxima. Thank you so much. I don't know why I'm doing this. I haven't even seen Top Gun yet, but whatever. All right, guys. Peace.